Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mini pool tables that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Sakar Cannonball Games Pool Table Game Set. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $16.27. It's perfect for anyone looking to dip their toes into mini pool without breaking the bank. With its lightweight and portable design, you can play pool almost anywhere, be it your living room, office, or even outdoors. It includes all the essentials: a tabletop pool table, 2 cues, a full set of balls, and a triangle rack. The table is made of plastic, which helps keep the price low, but sacrifices a bit in terms of durability and feel. While it's sturdy enough for casual play, it might not hold up to the wear and tear of intense games over time. The size is compact, measuring 19 inches long and 12 inches wide, making it easy to store. However, the plastic frame and top don't provide the premium experience that you'd get with wood or engineered materials. This model is best suited for kids or casual players who want a quick game without investing too much. While it's not ideal for serious gameplay, its affordability makes it a fun addition to family game nights. The biggest downside is the lack of customer reviews and ratings, but for the price, it's hard to complain. If you're looking for an ultra-budget option, this is a solid pick. At number 4, we have the Bribelli Tabletop Pool Set. This compact pool table is designed for portability and convenience, fitting right into your desk drawer or shelf when not in use. Priced at $24.29, it's an affordable option for casual players or anyone looking for a fun addition to their home or office. This mini pool table features wood paneling on the sides and felt lining on the top, offering a more premium feel compared to plastic competitors. The set includes 2 cues, a triangle rack, chalk, and a full set of 16 resin balls, giving you everything you need for a quick game. Its smaller size, measuring 14 inches by 9.5 inches, makes it easy to store and ideal for tight spaces. However, its reduced dimensions might feel cramped for players who are used to larger tables. The Bribelli set is best for casual play, trick shots, or even practice at your desk. The felt lining provides a smooth playing surface, but the lightweight design limits its durability under heavy use. It's a great gift option for adults or teens who enjoy pool but don't have room for a full-size table. The main drawback is its small size, which could be a deal-breaker for more serious players. Overall, it's a great middle ground option for portability and price. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Hey Play Mini Pool Table. This 20-inch tabletop pool set comes with everything you need for a complete game experience: 2 cue sticks, 16 mini pool balls, chalk, a triangle rack, and even a brush to keep the felt clean. While the price wasn't available at the time of this review, it's categorized as a mid-range option. The design is compact and portable, making it easy to play on any flat surface. Its wood grain finish and green felt give it a classic look that blends well with any decor. The table measures 20.25 inches by 12.25 inches, making it slightly larger than some competitors, which is great for players who crave a bit more space. Build quality is decent, with wood construction for the frame and base providing durability for regular use. This table is ideal for families, parties, or road trips thanks to its portability. It's suitable for players aged 14 and up, and offers a realistic pool experience in a miniature size. However, the lightweight design might make it prone to sliding during more aggressive gameplay. Additionally, customer reviews give it a 4.3-star rating, highlighting its fun factor and ease of use, but noting occasional issues with ball alignment. Overall, it's a solid choice for casual players looking for a balance of quality and convenience. Coming in at number 2 is the Main Street Classics 20-inch miniature billiard pool game set, priced at $32.99. This model strikes a great balance between price and features, making it one of the most popular tabletop pool tables on the market. It includes everything you need for a full game: 2 cue sticks, a set of billiard balls, a triangle rack, chalk, and even a table brush. The design is sleek and compact, measuring 20.2 inches by 12.4 inches and features engineered wood construction for a sturdy build. One standout feature is the side ball return system, which mimics the functionality of pub-style billiards tables and makes ball retrieval seamless. The green felt lining provides a smooth playing surface, while the engineered wood frame ensures durability. At 5.6 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, which helps keep it stable during gameplay. This table is ideal for teens and adults looking for a portable yet premium mini pool experience. The customer reviews are stellar, with a 4.4-star rating from over 1,300 users, praising its quality and fun factor. However, assembly is not required, which is a plus. But some users have noted that the cues and balls are smaller than expected. Overall, it's a fantastic option for those seeking a compact yet feature-rich pool table. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Queen Cell Game Table, priced at $44.99. This premium option is perfect for those who want a high-quality mini pool table that delivers on performance and durability. Measuring 20.9 inches by 13.2 inches, it's slightly larger than its competitors, offering more room for gameplay. The set includes everything you need: 2 cue sticks, a full set of balls, a triangle rack, and chalk. Simple assembly is required, but it only takes a few minutes to get started. The standout feature here is the build quality. Unlike other models that use wood or engineered wood, the Queen Cell table uses durable plastic for its frame and base. This makes it incredibly sturdy and able to withstand intense gameplay, making it suitable for both kids and adults. The felt lining provides a smooth surface for accurate shots, and the larger dimensions make it feel closer to a full-size table. This table is ideal for family game nights, casual players, and beginners who want a reliable and fun experience. Customer reviews give it a 4.3-star rating, with users appreciating its durability and ease of use. The only downside is the higher price point, but if you're looking for the best in the category, this table is worth the investment. It's also a great gift option for billiard enthusiasts of all ages. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.